Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about delete an elements from an array. Suppose if I enter the number 5 or then I enter 5 elements 11, 12, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to delete 4 uh, elements into the array. So I enter the elements to delete. So I enter 4. So the output come 11, 12, 5 and 6. Suppose if I enter the elements 11, 12, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to enter the elements to delete. So if I enter 13, so the output come 13 is not present in the array. Or suppose if I enter the number at your 6 and 6 elements I enter and here enter the elements to delete. So I enter 6. So 6 is 2 times. So here or 6 when 6 is found it first time, so that all elements delete from the array. So the output come 11, 12, 4, 5 and this 6 remove and this percent into the array. So the output come this one. So let's see. Next, I'm going to discuss about the driven method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main function. Hereafter that coincide. So right here I have taken integer variable a and have given the size 25. So maximum you can enter 25 elements into the array. So if you wanna increase, then increase or add more elements. So that increase the size of array. So first variable is a and add here I've given the size 25. Next variable is I n loc st and flag. So at your flag value initialized to 0. So at your control comes to this point, printf function. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen, enter the number. And whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So I'm going to enter n value 5. Hereafter, control comes to this point, printf function again. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen, enter the elements. So at your control comes to for loop. So at your I value start from 0. And that check the condition 0 n value I entered 5. So 0 less than 5 condition is true, so that coincides. So scanf function. So let's enter idle or 0% new element. So at here, this is array. This is a 0 index, index 1, index 2, 3, 4. So this continue till 25. So at idle or 0%, a scanf function percentage because idle or is integer time. So let's enter 8 or 0% element. So I'm going to enter 6. And here after that, go up and increase the value of I. So I becomes 0 to 1. Check the condition. 1 less than 5 condition is true. So let's enter 8 out of 1% new element. So I'm going to enter 9. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than n value 5 condition is true. So let's enter 8 over 2% new element. So I'm going to enter 8. Hereafter I increase again, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 5 condition is true. So let's enter 8 over 3% new element. So I'm going to enter 11. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 5 condition is true. So that coincide. So 8 over 4%, let's enter new element. So I'm going to enter 12. So hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 5. Check the condition 5 less than 5 condition is not true. So that not coincide. So control comes to this point. So printf function again. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen, enter the elements to delete. And whatever I'm going to enter, so that is store in st. So any number you can delete. So I'm going to delete 8. So st receive 8. Now control comes to for loop. So at I value start from 0 again. Check the condition 0 less than 5 condition is true, so that coincide. So if it is not 0, position double equal to st. So st value is 8 and 8 over 0 position is 6. So 6 double equal to 8 condition is not true, so that not coincide. So here after that increase the value of I. So I become 0 to 1. Check the condition 1 less than 5 condition is true. So that coincide if A double out of 1 position equal to ST. So 1 position is 9, ST value 8. Not true, not coincide. Again that increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5 condition is true. So if 8 over 2% double equal to ST. So 8 over 2% is 8. ST value 8. So the condition is match. So that coincide. So right here flag become 1 and I value go to LOC. So I value is 2. LOC become 2. And now here break statement comes. So that terminate the loop. So now control comes to this point. If flag double equal to 1. So flag value is 1. So that your condition is true. So that coincide. For log value go to I. So log value is 2. 2 go to I. So I start from 2 and that check the condition 2 less than n1 minus n minus 1. So this value is 4. I value 2. So 2 less than 4. Condition is 2. So that coincide. So at a 8 over 2 plus 1. I value is 2. 2 plus 1. So this over 3. So 3 position value go to 8 over R of 2. So at here 3 position is 11. So that go to 8 over R of 2. So 11 move to 8 over R 2. And hereafter that again increase the value of I. So I become 2 to 3. Now check the condition 3 less than 4. Condition is true. So at here 8 over 3 plus 1. So 4 position value go to 8 over 3. So 4 position is or 12. 12 move to 8 over 3. And now I gonna increase. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 4. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. So at here printf function again. The new array elements that display into the output screen and at here the new elements into the array. So first is 6 0 position. One position is 9 and at here 3 position 11 value move to 2 and now 4 position 12 value move to 3 and this position there is no any value, so this is a store null character. And now control comes to this point. I value start from 0 again. Check the condition 0 less than n1 n minus 1. So n value is 5 pi minus 1. This value is 4. So 0 less than 4 condition is true. So that coincide printf function %d because a double r is integer type slash n then the value print in new line. So a double 0 position is 6. So that display. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 0 to 1. Check the condition 1 less than 4 condition is true. So that coincides. So 8 over 1 position value 9. So 9 display. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 4 condition is true. So 8 over 2 position is 11. That display. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 3 now. Or check the condition 3 less than 4 condition is true. So that coincides. So 8 over 3 position value is 12. So 12 display. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 4 condition is not true. So that not coincide. So hereafter that output for loop. So at your ST value I entered 8. So 8 in percent in the array. Suppose if I enter ST value 13. So 13 is not in the array. So there that asks enter the elements to delete. So I enter st value 13. So at here I value start from 0 again. Check the condition 0 less than 5, n value is 5. Or that check the condition 8 over 0 position greater than equal to st. So at here 0 position is 6 equal to 13. Condition is not true. That not coincide. I gonna increase. So I is 1. Check the condition 1 less than 5. Condition is true. So 8 over 1 position double equal to st. So 1 position is 9. 9 equal to 13. Now it's true. So here I gonna increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5. Condition is true. So 8 over 2 position double equal to st. So 2 position is 8. St value 13 not equal. I gonna increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 5. Condition is true. So 8 over 3 position double equal to st. So 3 position is 11. 11 equal to 13. Not true. I gonna increase. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 5. Condition is true. So that coincides. So 8 over 4 position double equal to st. So 4 position is 12. 12 equal to 13. That's not true. I gonna increase by 1. So I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 less than 5. Condition is not true. So here after that out from for loop. Now control comes to flag. So flag value initially that was 0. So flag value is 0. So at here check the condition if flag double equal to 0. So flag value is equal to 1. So flag value is not 1. So that go to else part. So at here elements percentage is not in the array. So here the output come elements 13 is not in the array. st percentage because st is the integer type. St is int, so that I've given percentage. So the output come elements 13 is not in the array. And hereafter that out from main function. Now the next point is if I enter duplicate elements into the array. So at here I enter 6 and here I am also going to enter 6. And here enter the elements to delete. So I am going to enter st value 6 and flag is 0. So at here I value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 5. Condition is true. So that coincide if a double out of 0 position double equal to st. So 0 position is 6 and st I have given 6. So the condition is true. So flag is now 1 and I value go to lock. So I value is now 0 0 go to lock. And hereafter break statement comes so that terminate the loop. Now control comes to this point if flag double equal to 1. So flag value is 1. Condition is true. So at here condition is true, so that go to inside. So for loop lock value go to I. So I is now 0 and at here check the condition 0 n minus 1. So 0 less than 4. Condition is true, so that coincide. So at here 8 over 0 plus 1 value go to 8 over 0 location. So 9 move to 0 position. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 4. Condition is true. So that coincides. So at here 8 over out of 1 plus 1. So 2 position value go to 8 over out of 1. So 11 move to 8 over out of 1. And at your two location, sorry, two location I enter 6. Here I enter 6. So 6 move to 8 over out of 1. Hereafter I increase, so I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 4, condition is 2. So at here 8 over 2 plus 1, 3 position value go to 8 over 2. So 3 position is 9 move to 8 over of 0 position, and or 6 move to 8 over of 1 position, and at here 8 over 3 position value move to 8 over 2. So 11 move to 8 over out of 2. And now I gonna increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 4, condition is 2, so that coincide. So at 8 over 3 plus 1, 4 position value go to 8 over 3. So 4 position is 12, 12 move to 8 over 3. And hereafter I can increase, so I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 4, condition is not true. So that not coincide. So at your new array elements are, so 9 move to 8 over 0 position, and or 6 move to 8 over 1 position, and 11 move to 8 over 2, and 12 move to 8 over 3. So this is a 0 index. So at your 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at your in array or 6 is a duplicate elements. So when the condition is true at here, so when the condition is true, so that coincide, and or that do the operation here also, and it terminates only if a first matching condition is true, then that terminates from the array. So not for duplicate elements. So at here 6 is 2 times. So first that find 6 in 0 location. So 0 location elements that terminate from the array, and our second 6 remain in the array. So this is the drive method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next video.